Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First of all, wishing you all a happy new year. This is the first video of the year and we have lots planned out this year. We're super excited for it. If you're new around here, our channel, The Yellow Dwelling, is all about home decor, DIYs, tips and tricks around your home and garden. So if this interests you, do consider subscribing to us. Few years back when I started out, decorating my house, I was clueless about how to go about putting a bed together, how to style a bed. I was so confused. I would look at pictures and I would be so confused as to how many cushions should I put, like how do I put the throw, how do I style my quilt, and I had these very overwhelming questions. Through the last few years of working a lot in the styling and design space, I have learnt a few tips and tricks, and it's a very personal choice. At the end of the day, you could have as many cushions or lesser cushions. It's your personal style, and I think in this video I'm trying to help you out with 3 different styles that you could try and pick and choose whichever matches your personal style. In this style, the sleeping pillows form the base of the cushion decoration. I have then used 3 18-inch cushions, layered it with 2 16-inch and used another 16 accent cushion. I have draped the quilt casually with a few folds being visible and added the throw again in a casual style to blend in with the whole vibe. Layering is key. I like to layer with things that we mostly use instead of just using pieces for the sake of layering. Like here, I've used the cushions which we mostly use when we sit down on the bed to read a book or watch a Netflix show, and of course the quilts and throw. This style may be useful for folks who use 4 pillows on their bed. Lay the sleeping pillows flat, one on top of the other, like I've done here. I have kept the decorative cushion simple with just 2 16-inch cushions and a lumber accent cushion. I have draped the quilt in a neat and fuss-free way and added a throw again in a neatly folded way. The whole look screams prim and proper to me. Pro tip to note here is to play with varying sizes of cushion. This brings in a lot of visual interest, like pairing a 16-inch with a lumber. This style, I have gone all in and used 2 large 24-inch cushions in the front of the sleeping pillows with another 2 20 inches and an accent 16-inch. Quilts are neatly folded and I've just placed the throw on the quilt since the cushion decoration is already on the heavier side. My last pro tip is don't forget to work with prints, patterns and textures. For example, the 2 large yellow cushions here help break the monotony of the bedsheet print, yet beautifully ties with the prints on the cushion and the quilt. Lastly, the throw here adds the much needed texture to the space. Okay, so we get asked this question a lot. Where do you keep these decorative pillows when you sleep on the bed? So I like to keep them in a chair or a sofa you may have in the room, or an extra storage in your cupboard, or my favorite, a trunk like this. This is a trunk that I have in my bed and I love storing my extra throws and decorative pillows in this. So I've shown you 3 different styles in this video, and I really hope you found this useful and you found some of the answers that you've been looking for in terms of styling your bed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We have planned a bunch of exciting things for the channel this year and we'd really love to see you around. Bye.